Okay guys, this morning I woke up, it was 4:30. Been waking up kind of early. And I'm cruising Marketplace, as you do. I come across, I'm pulling it up, come across a 1980 Mazda RX-7. A lot of you probably don't know, but me and my dad are big rotor heads, and we don't have any, well actually my dad has a Turbo 2 right now, but it's in pieces. But I'm always looking for RX-7s, looking for a good deal. This one came up on Marketplace and instantly messaged the guy and sent him some money to hold it for us because it looks pretty nice. I'm not a first gen guy, but this one I think is cool enough that we're gonna go check it out. So, oh, here's the car. Only 44,000 original miles, supposedly, so we're gonna verify that. Interior stupid clean. Has a new dash because I guess the one that's in it's cracked. Pretty rare color. I don't think I've ever seen one in this color. So, pretty excited. We're gonna go pick that up here in a couple hours. Me and Deegan got a couple jobs we're gonna go handle. Gonna come home. Hopefully Maddie's done using my truck. Load up the trailer and head to Cottonwood and go meet this guy. Okay, me and Deegan got our jobs done. Cash acquired. Luckily, we finished our work because now it's raining. Just in time for us to get to load up the trailer in the rain. Sorry, bro. Weatherman reporting. It's raining. We're loaded up. Well, yeah, we're loaded up. My ramps broke off my trailer. Oh no! Almost lost a ramp again. But we don't have time to fix it, and it's raining. So, on the road. So a lot of you guys probably don't know that me and my dad are really big into rotaries. RX-7s are pretty, big to us. Cut to a clip of my RX-7.
That's a lot.
But as time went on, we figured out that going fast and doing things off-road, you get in a lot less trouble than on-road. A lot of, speed limits and things on-road. See? And radar detector's going off. So, this one will be cool to play with. Haven't played with one in a while. And my dad wants to video him actually restoring his turbo. But he's busy. Hopefully I just end up with it. I don't know. Alright, we are 6 minutes away. So we'll update you when we get there. Hopefully you guys are cool with us filming. If not, we'll
film anyways.
We'll film anyways. What's he gonna do? Shoot us? Doubt it. There's some covers. Alright guys, so we made it. We're here checking it out. So it's a 1980 Mazda RX-7 SA, not an FB. Wait for this car to go by. Overall, it's pretty clean. There's a couple of things I didn't like about it. The dent in the fender and the passenger door is missing a trim. Some things like that. It runs pretty strong. I think it has a probably needs the carb to be tuned. So right now we've made our offer. He said he had to go make a phone call, and we'll see what happens. I don't know. All right, guys. Well, that didn't go as planned. Couldn't come to an agreement on price, but you know, sometimes that happens. He wasn't real clear on his pictures on Facebook. It was a little more, I don't know if I'd say rough, but just not as clean as it seemed on Facebook. So I shot him an offer. He said no way. And he said, hold on, let me go make a call. Had hope. Then he said, no, I need this, and yada yada. And so we decided to walk. So, you know, not every deal goes exactly how you planned, but it is what it is. We'll get him on the next one. That being said, hit up Deegan for a C10. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Okay, so I just filmed a clip like, I couldn't come to an agreement, blah blah blah. Stopped at Maverick, got some electrolytes. Next thing you know, calls me back. I'll take it. I need a daily driver. Boom. No big deal. We're going back. We're loading this hog up. Stay tuned. We're back. Load this hog up. Oh. God, it's so hot. So I'm gonna need you to watch. Make sure I don't blow the front bumper off.
It's the strap.
Okay, car's loaded. It's 105 out now. So now we're heading to the footwork to swap the title into my name, because it doesn't have paper. I don't know. It has a paper title, but it's a electronic. I don't know. We're just going there. I'm gonna make sure it's mine. I'm gonna give them half the money. It's ours. 1980 Mazda RX-7. It's my first gen that I've. Well, okay, I can't lie. It's my first gen. The second one, the only one that's ran. The first one I never even tried to get run. So pretty stoked. We're gonna take it back home, get it off the trailer. Well, try and get it off the trailer. I don't know. It might be pouring, so we'll see. Let's call Maddie. Tell her about it. Dying right now. By gunpoint.
She don't give a damn about you.
Babe, help. I'm hurt. Nothing. Unbelievable. Whoa. Yeah, so this one's an SA, which is like the first RX-7. It has a 12A rotary instead of a 13B. I'm not exactly sure on when they started going full 13B. Like I know a GSLSE has a 13B injected. That's really the first gen you want, but they're also, you know, big dollars. So they're all pretty cool though. I've heard that these are like the most street legal go-kart you can get, essentially. not very fast, but tons of fun to drive. So we're gonna put it to the test. Bang, just like that, we home. I'm gonna get this thing unloaded and dinner time. You're gonna have to give it some gas. Oh, guess not.
I know how to speak to those carburetors.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, just go easy. Let me, hold on real quick. Okay. Yeah, to get over that strap. There you go. I think you're right on that strap. You have to give it some. There you go. Oh, brakes. Yeah, you're good. Woo! That was close. We're good though. You want to take it around the block? Okay. What'd you think?
It's fun.
I told you.
All the backfires. It's funny as shit.
Well, I think it needs some carb work, but
Oh yeah, for sure.
yeah.
This
Oh,
is fucking sick.
they're fun, man.
Damn.
Yeah. I'm pretty excited. All right, well, that pretty much wraps it up. We're gonna put this thing away in the side of the yard for now so I can get my Jeep out of the garage. And then do some more, start working on cleaning it up. We're gonna show you guys all the process of doing that, and should be pretty fun. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.